Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I'm taking another look at the ongoing debate about the use of existing content to train AI models. Let's jump into it. Here I have two articles. The first is a piece from The Hollywood Reporter that states, "Artists score major win in copyright case against AI art generators." Let's read a few key bits. Artists suing generative artificial intelligence art generators have cleared a major hurdle in the first of its kind lawsuit over the uncompensated and unauthorized use of billions of images downloaded from the internet to train AI systems, with a federal judge allowing key claims to move forward. So the case gets to move forward, which is a big deal. It'll be interesting to see how this case gets decided, as this case and others like it will, over time, as they wind through the legal system, be setting precedent for how the current law applies to generative AI. And depending on how that goes, we may see an outcry from one side or the other to lawmakers to adjust the law more towards their favor. Let's read further down and see what is going to happen next for this case. The case will move forward to discovery, where the artist could uncover information related to the way in which the AI firms harvested copyrighted materials that were then used to train large language models. I wonder if there will be an appeal on this ruling, as I would expect that these companies do not want to get into discovery where they could be forced to publicly divulge the source of their training data. And as this case continues, there are quite a few novel legal questions posed by generative AI. Let's scroll down as this article names just a few. Among the few considerations holding back further deployment of the tech is the specter of a court ruling that the use of copyrighted materials to train AI systems constitutes copyright infringement. Another factor is that AI-generated works are not eligible for copyright protection. So my guess here is that the courts will find that merely training an AI model with copywritten material is not infringement. I don't know how you could show damages to an artist when their output is just used for only training a model. However, using that trained model or selling access to it, that's a different matter, and I'm not sure how the courts will come down on that. And if the model inference is considered infringement, which artists were infringed upon? Who gets to make a claim in court? All of the artists in the training set equally? It's a real tricky question. And what if the model creates a work that is similar to another artist that wasn't even in the training set? Are they infringed upon too? Needless to say, I think the issue gets very complex very quick. So it seems like artists are just getting ramped up in their fight against generative AI. Here I have another article from The Verge where Procreate, the makers of a popular illustration app, have stated they will not be including any generative AI features into their product. Here are a few key bits from the story. Many Procreate users can breathe a sigh of relief now that the popular iPad illustration app has taken a definitive stance against generative AI. We're not going to be introducing any generative AI into our products, Procreate CEO James Kuda said in a video posted to X. I don't like what's happening to the industry, and I don't like what it's doing to artists. Generative AI is ripping the humanity out of things. Built on a foundation of theft, the technology is steering us towards a barren future, Procreate said in the new AI section of its website. We think machine learning is a compelling technology with a lot of merit, but the path generative AI is on is wrong for us. So this is a great PR win for Procreate. I think it's safe to put them on Team People in the ongoing fight with Team Robot. And I think that we need to be careful here to ensure that Team People has a fighting chance. I don't want to live in a world where AI is so good and so cheap to use that the cost of making human-generated content or art is so high that it ceases to exist. I don't want to live in a world where all the content is generated by AI. I don't think we're anywhere near that today, but it definitely seems like it could be something further down the path we are on. But with that, I'll end this video for today. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you next time.